Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching. So in this video we are going to go through Builderall. So this is Builderall like overview tutorial for beginners. So what is Builderall, what Builderall is all about, like how to use it, like all this good stuff. So when you first come to Builderall, I will leave it down below for the 14-day free trial. It used to be 7-day free trial, now they have 14-day free trial. But with Builderall you can create websites, funnels, like everything that you need to run a online successful business online. So before I was using Builderall, I was spending at least $200 a month to run my simple online business. I had to build my WordPress website. I had to use ClickFunnels to build funnels, which cost $100. The blog cost me at least $100. And I had to use also email marketing software Aweber, which cost me at least $20 a month. So you can see it cost me around $200 or more to run my online business. But with Builderall, it cost me only $30 to run my online business, because Builderall has everything that I need to in order to run my simple online business. So it's kind of like all in one tool, which is really good. You will save money and you will save time, because all these tools are in Builderall, so they integrate really well with each other, so you don't have to do any crazy API integrations and all that stuff. Everything works really good. So with Builderall you can create websites, funnels, you can create bump sells, upsells, downsells, just like in ClickFunnels. You can even create membership areas. Everything that you create, it loads really fast, like you can see, like in 1 second. Everything, your website, your funnels, everything loads in 1 second, so which is really good, really helps you to boost your conversion rate. Everything is mobile like optimized, because let's be honest, in 2020 the majority of your traffic is mobile traffic, so all your landing pages and websites are mobile optimized, which will also helps you to boost your conversion rates. And when you are using this all-in-one software, you will save a lot of money every month, because you don't have to buy like expensive funnel builders. You don't have to create website, which is expensive. You don't have to use email marketing software, paid email marketing software, which will save you a lot of money, which you can invest in your business. You can run paid ads or all that good stuff. So you can, really start to, skyrocket your income, which is really good, which I did. I did that, so it really works. You can do also A/B split testing. Like I said, everything loads really fast. If you create a blog, you have like SEO tool, just like Yoast SEO or Rank Math in WordPress, which is really nice. Yes, like I said, you can do email marketing. You can create beautiful drag and drop, email autoresponder sequences. You can do text message marketing, you can do messenger chatbot marketing. These are like ManyChat features, but built in Builderall, which is really nice, really simple to use, easy stuff. You can create webinars and all that good stuff. So you will get everything for only $30 a month if you buy the marketer plan. I'm currently using $30 a month because it has everything that I need to run my online business, like I said. So when you come to Builderall, when you start the free trial, so this is the page that you will be taken. So you can install all these different apps that you want to use. So I'm currently creating funnels, opt-in pages, simple landing pages, and then I'm using mailing boss to do the email marketing. It's amazing because all this costs only $29 a month. So when you come to Builderall, this is really great. They have 24/7 support. You can just ask questions whenever you are stuck, and they also have step-by-step training on how to use this platform. This platform is not hard to learn, and when you learn it, you will save a lot of money. You will save a lot of time, because this platform works really well. So this is my Builderall 3.0. So this they have updated everything here, and everything runs smoothly. Like you can see, they have tutorials for everything. How to use the Cheetah, how to build a funnel from scratch, how to use Cheetah Builder, how to build a website, how to build a simple funnel, like everything. They have everything here. SMS marketing, chatbots, how to use the email marketing software, everything. Like it's not hard to learn. You just have to watch the video and do like after the video just follow the simple tutorials, and then you just master Builderall in just a couple of days. This is really easy platform to learn. I have been doing affiliate marketing and running businesses online for over 2 years, and I have used a lot of software, and this is like one of the easiest softwares to learn. This is like as easy to learn as ClickFunnels, if not even easier, because they have all these amazing tutorials here. And the best thing about Builderall, in my opinion, is the fact that you can create opt-in page, then you can create like a whole funnel, and then you can do email marketing on the back end on Builderall. So you don't really have to like learn another software. You can just learn Builderall and run your whole business with Builderall. So this is my simple Builderall overview for 2020. Builderall is really has really all the tools that you will ever need to quickly and easily grow your online business. Builderall is great for beginners, and even if you're more advanced Builderall, I would recommend Builderall because you save a lot of money, you save a lot of time. It's easy to integrate. It's easy to integrate all the tools that Builderall has to offer. So yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.